I've gone ahead and I have started my project. Now, what I decided to work on for this working time is the main living room area. Now, the main things I wanted to get sorted out was a simple idea on the camera from 2D in a 3D perspective and see if I can get that to work. Now, the main area is simple and there isn't any furniture or extreme modeling or anything like that. And that is because, again, as mentioned, I am not a modeler, so I will mostly be importing models from the asset store, and I will try my best to link them down and note that I have been using them. Now, for the actual project, we have been using a Pro Builder to add more depth into these builds. If I were to do this, you can see that I have the roof, the floor, and the walls and such. And I will go ahead and I will continue updating this, smoothing things out, or beveling the windows. Next, of course, is the couch and table, which are from the asset store from a person known as Brick Project Studio. Again, I will link them. Now, I've also been doing some simple lighting, and I've gone ahead and grabbed a star skybox online, which is also from an asset store, so I will link them. But if I were to go over here, we can see that the TV from the television set from the asset store has a display on it. Now, this allows me to display a material of my choice onto the screen. And what I've gone ahead and done is I have figured out the way to make my 2D work in the 3D perspective by using a thing called render texture. So if we go over here, we can see that there is a camera, which I have dubbed the 2D camera, facing towards this scene. Now, this simply just shows an image as of now, but I will of course update, and I am trying my best to get it to fit the exact side of the borders so I could figure out the correct size for this thing. Now, what I then did was I grabbed the VHS Pro feature that I've used in my previous project. And again, I will link this down. And within this, we have also got a spotlight that links towards it to allow that this actually has some sort of lighting to it. I will likely change them in the future, but as of now, I need this. And one of the things to note was that the camera, it's upside down because I oddly came to realize that the material that this TV uses has the thing show as upside down. So I had to flip the camera. That's just going to have to be a permanent thing, so I'll have to deal with that. Next is the how. So what I've done is I had created a render texture, and what I did was I connected it to the camera. This then allows me to turn that into a material which links towards this TV. I will go ahead and be sure to update my forum with anything relevant, and I will keep things updated. But as of now, this is my progress, and I've spent a few hours working on it. I will update you all whenever I have done any more substantial amount of work.